Hi guys, today I am just doing some trades. I think they were a little bit under. Also monkeys are quite hard to trade. But I love neon king bees. They added which was great. But still not what I'm looking for, sorry. A neon kangaroo. They are really pretty. But turtles are worth more. Super sorry my dudette. I really want a frost R. Got rejected again. I hoped I could make a mega dodo, as I already had a neon dodo. Not saying I have the patience though, lol. Rejected again. Sadness. Couldn't be bothered with the neon anymore, so I decided to offer for a neon T-Rex. A dodo. What? Okay then. I don't even know what to say. Like why? A lose for them. I had no idea if I wanted to do it. I asked my sister if it was fair. I tried adding them to think about it, but they didn't accept it. So annoying, raw. I did it.